How to make flat white latte. Tear your porter filter on scale. Grind coffee 20 gr. Use coffee distributor tamp. Flash your group head to have good extraction without particles of extraction. We use ratio 1:2, 20 gr coffee and yield 40 milliliters. Between 22 second to 30 second. Then you stop the extraction button. Start pour latte art. Pour little milk and mix with espresso. After mix slowly. Slow down, pour 1 leaf, pour 3 leaf, pour 4 leaf, pour 5 leaf, pour 6 leaf, pour 7 leaf, pour 8 leaf, and pull up and pass through.